Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I have the Quilty Box for February. Got here a little later than normal, but it is here. So let's dig in and see what's new. Here we go. I'm going to pull this out to get the box out of the way. So we have our Bundles of Inspiration booklet that we receive every month. And we usually have a message from Patrick in the front. That's all the things that are in this box. And this is the classic Quilty Box that I receive. We'll go over that later. There's also a Quilty Box Mini. And I think this booklet comes with that, so this also tells what's in the Mini. And it says, introducing the Paper Pieces Quilty Box. So you can... They have a paper piecing box. And our featured artist today is Christa Watson. I love that. And the rug, that's cool. And this is some Q&As with Christa. And we have the Abstract Garden. I like that too. What quilt don't I like anyway? This is the Rainbow Weave by Christa Watson. This tells you everything you need and all the directions. You can quilt along with Christa. Join Christa for some quilty fun and make a complete quilt from start to finish using the Abstract Garden Strip Pie and Rainbow Weave pattern from February's Quilty Box, plus your favorite backing quilt. So now we know what fabric's going to be in there. This one, Trellis Quilted Pillow by Jenny Baker. So there's that. This is the Twirling Teacups by Paper Pieces. Oh, that's cool. That's really neat. And all the directions. I like that. Let's see, this is Strippy Quilt Tote Bag by Millie Green. And the directions for that. And not sure if you know, but Quilty Box has shopping, so that you can get some of the items that are in the box. You can order from the website. I'll put a link down below for that. This is the Subscriber Spotlight, Kat Domiano. Some Q&A with her, or a little info about her. And this is a sneak peek for next month of Sherry and Chelsea. So, let's dig in. Can't wait to see this fabric and what other goodies we got. So we have our thread, the Aurifil. It doesn't have a color name. Let's go back to the booklet here. Let's see what it says. It's kind of a gray silver color. It's Aurifil, 50 weight, 200 yards, $4.99. It doesn't have a color name, but it's number 2615. And our next item is the ruler grip. These are handy. It's the ruler grip by Eversewn. This ruler grip for Eversewn has 2 suction cups that grip rulers securely to help measure easily, comfortably, and accurately. And this retails for $4.99. And here what it looks like. And here's the little suction cups. And you just stick it, and it helps you move your ruler around. They are quite handy. And then we have an Omni Grip ruler, the non-slip ruler for quilting, sewing, and crafts. This is the 5-inch. It says a 5-inch ruler by OmniGrid, special non-slip backing, eliminates slipping when measuring and rotary cutting. Right and left-handed number systems, and retails for $12.99. Always use rulers. And our wonderful fabric. Ooh, love it. This is the Abstract Garden Strip Pies by Christa for Benartex Contempo Studio. This retails for $32. It has 40 2.5 by 42 inch strips. And I'm not going to pull this out since you can pretty much see everything right there. It says this fabric line was inspired by Christa's love for gardens with an abstract geometric aesthetic. Super cute. A rainbow of colors. Here's the back. You can kind of see that a little bit of the print a little better. So that is everything. So we have the fabric, the ruler grip, and our thread. So not a lot, but this is a very pricey package of fabric, which I love. And you also get the magazine that they're retailing for $10 this month with all the patterns in them. Has the Rainbow Weave by Christa and those other patterns that I showed you. So that's called the Abstract Garden, a larger scale print, raised beds, and a really cool graphic layout. Perfect for quilt backings, borders, bags, even clothing. So the Rainbow Weave pattern is what they're using this fabric for, which is really cool. And all the directions to make all your blocks, which there are lots of blocks. So you can see another picture there. If you want to quilt along with Christa, go to christaquilts.com/quiltybox. The quilt along will be sent via email to register for free. Here is the website. I'll put a link down below so you can click on it. It'll be easier than typing it in. I really like that one too. So that is everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.